What's going on, guys? It's Eric here from Dose of VT, bringing you guys another video. So this time, as you guys can see, I have an MSI monitor. So this is the top of the line. As you guys can probably see down here below the box, it says 240 Hertz, high refresh rate, 1 millisecond. It's got the G-Sync, so it's their top of the line. It's the NXG251R. That R is important because it means that it has like all the more color variant and all that jazz. so you guys don't have to wait around too much. Let's pop this puppy open and see what the monitor actually looks like. So the reason I bought this monitor, like, this is not a cheap monitor by any means. We're talking retail at Best Buy, $500. Which isn't cheap by any standards to anyone that's trying to buy a monitor. The reason why I went with this particular monitor is because I wanted something with high refresh rate, and I knew that this monitor would have very good color accuracy and stuff like that. Oh, it's got a bunch of goodies in here. Okay, so after opening all this stuff up, I can show you guys one at a time what's all in here. Alright, so the first thing we got is the booklet. Then I guess there's some tabs and stuff in here. Obviously we don't really need that. This looks like a HDMI cable. So they give you one of those. This is a display port on both ends. This is, it looks like a printer or something cable, weird optical cable thing. Show you guys that if you guys can see. Open this up. Now, honestly, I really don't know what this cable goes to, but I know that it's used on printers every now and then, but I don't think it's used in this aspect just because obviously it's a gaming monitor, so it's probably used for something. I don't know what that something is. And then you got another cable, just your power cable that'll plug into the back of this, obviously to power the monitor. Let's see right here. This looks like screws, stuff like that. I don't know exactly what that goes to, but there's that. Get this out. This is the stand for the monitor. Pretty simple stand, nothing outrageous. You just got your V shape there, if that's what you want to call it, type thing. And then you just got a little nut at the bottom so you'd help screw once you screw it up to the actual monitor. Then this piece obviously is the piece we really need. So this piece will obviously connect to the back of the monitor. Then it has cable management through here. If I can. Interesting. So it has stuff down here. I'm guessing that's just for the height and all that, so you can adjust. Whoa, that goes down pretty far. But then rockets back up for some reason. Alright. But anyways, it can move down all the way down to here. Then this is just for your cable management, so obviously it's going to be on the back and it's going to run through here down to the back so you can't see it. Put all that off to the side. Now the moment of truth is to open this puppy up and see what we got inside. Honestly, this is probably A1 packaging by far to protect something of this size. Because this monitor is only 24 inches. 23.5, I should say. We'll drop it down in here. So I do have it upside down. Alright. So there is the front of the monitor. You can see clean, sleek look. Bezels aren't very big besides the chin down there. Then the most important part is probably everything you guys want to see there. If you guys can see that, if the lighting's terrible here. But anyways, I'll tell you guys. So Down at the very bottom there, you have your display port, and then the next one is the HDMI. Then you have the power plug. Then you have that weird cable that I don't know what goes to up top there. Then on the side you have 3 USBs. I don't know, unless that's that's the headphone jack right there in the middle. If you guys can see that. Try not to put my fingers. So, headphone jack is right there. Man, this lighting's terrible. But anyways, there's that. Then also, there's the back of the monitor. You can see everything. I believe this stuff lights up. You got a little switch right here that you can mess with, if you guys can see that right there. On the bottom, all you have is just a little button. I believe that's the turn on and turn off button right there. I mean, other than that, that is basically the whole monitor. This is just the unboxing of it. So stay tuned for the next video and I'll show you how it looks, how it plays. Right now, I don't have my gaming PC built, so I'll be playing on a PS4, which I spent all this money. Technically, I didn't spend all of it because I had rewards points from Best Buy, so I didn't pay close to that price at all. But I bought this expensive monitor preparing to build my PC, so I'll be playing it on a PS4, so it's not going to do all the specs that it's supposed to do and what it's rated for. But we'll see how it works compared to my old monitor that I have, a Samsung 4K at like 60 Hz. So we'll see if there's any difference in how smooth it is or anything like that. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.